Welcome to Fruits and Colors. White for watermelon. Red for raspberry. Black for banana. Gray for grapefruit. Pink for papaya. Magenta for mango. Purple for peach. Violet for vovonga. Green for grapes. Yellow for yuzu. Orange for orange. Now animals and colors. Black for bear. Yellow for yak. Blue for baboon. Gray for giraffe. Pink for panda. Green for gazelle. Red for rabbit. Purple for penguin. Violet for vulture. Brown for butterfly. Now let's enjoy this video of a butterfly. What do you think it's doing? It's on top of the flower. What do you think it's doing?
Playing, maybe?
Now careers and letters. P for pilot. F for fishers. B for basketball. A for astronaut. D for doctor. C for cashier. E for engineer. H for hairdresser. B for barber. Now let's try animals and letters. L for lion. F for fox. M for monkey. N for nightingale. S for snake. S for squirrel. F for frog. Z for zebra. Now let's do the special letter X. What words start with X?
X-ray.
Right, X-ray. X for X-ray. Now let's try fruits and numbers. How many tomatoes do you see?
1.
How many pineapples do you see?
5.